Yeah, Sri Guru children. This is exercise 5.7, 12th CBSE, chapter 5. Find d square y by dx square. It is a second order derivative. Okay. We already seen two sums. See here, third one, y equal to x cos x. Y equal to x cos x. So, see here, y, first differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx, differentiate with respect to x. This one you can take it as u because x cos x, two x terms are there. This one is v. What is the formula for product rule? U v dash plus v u dash. So it gives x into differentiation of cos x. Differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x plus what is value of v? Cos x. Differentiation of x is 1. Okay. See here, dy by dx equal to, I write it in a proper way, cos x minus x sin x. Cos x minus x sin x. Then d square y by dx square. Again you have to differentiate dy by dx. So, d by dx of dy by dx, it gives the answer what? D square y by dx square. D square y by dx square. So, d square y by dx square equal to, what is the differentiation of cos x? Or you will write like this, d by dx of cos x minus d by dx of x sin x. X sin x. So it gives the answer. Okay. What is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Again see x sin x. You can write uv formula product rule. Minus is there. You can put a bracket. Bracket u v dash plus v u dash. X into differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x plus v. V value is sin x. Differentiation of x. X is nothing but what? 1. Is it clear for you? U x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x plus v sin x. Differentiation of x is 1. So what is the answer for this? Minus sin x, you bring minus inside, minus x cos x minus sin x, minus sin x. Okay, cos x differentiation is minus sin x minus x cos x minus sin x. So it gives minus x cos x minus 2 sin x. Minus 2 sin x. If you want, you can take it as minus commonly out. If you want, you can take it as minus commonly out. What is the remaining thing? X cos x plus 2 sin x. X cos x plus 2 sin x. This is the value of d square y by dx square. Yeah, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Y equal to log cos x. Find d square y by dx square. See, dy by dx, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. What is the differentiation of x? Log x. Differentiation of log x is nothing but what? 1 by x. Differentiation of log x is nothing but 1 by x. Then d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square is nothing but what? D by dx of dy by dx. D by dx of dy by dx. So, d square y by dx square equal to, d square by dx square equal to d by dx of 1 by x. D by dx of 1 by x. What is the differentiation of 1 by x? See that you can take it into the numerator. It becomes x to the power 1 by 1, x to the power minus 1 d by dx of x to the power minus 1. What is the formula we can apply for here? My n into x power n minus 1 minus 1 into x power minus 1 it gives minus 1 x to the power minus 2. What is the value? Minus 1 by x square, because the power is in negative. So you bring it to the denominator. So what is the value for d square by dx square? Minus 1 by x square. See, fifth sum, exercise 5.7, y equal to x cube log x. See, both the terms are x. So this is also x and this is also x. We can use it as a product rule, that is UV formula. UV. I told you, often you think of that chromosomes, XX chromosome, XY chromosome, YX chromosome, YY chromosome. If it is come like that, you can use it as a product rule. X cube log x. UV. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y become dy by dx. Y become dy by dx. U v dash plus v u dash. U is x cube. U is x cube. What is the differentiation of log x? Straight away I will write. Okay. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. 1 by x plus v. What is the value of v? Log x. U dash. Differentiation of u dash is 3x square n into x power n minus 1, or simply you will write, you can bring the power down, you reduce minus 1 from the power. See here, 3 into 3x square. So what is the answer? You can cancel this one, x square. So what is the answer for this? Dy by dx equal to x square plus 3x square into log x. X square plus 3x square into log x. X square is common, you can take it out. What is the remaining thing? 1 plus 3 log x. X square is common, I can take it out. What is the remaining thing? 1 plus 3 log x. Then you move on to d square y by dx square. That is d by dx of dy by dx. D by dx of dy by dx. What is that value? See here. D by dx of, what is the value of d square by dy by dx? X square into 1 plus 3 log x. X square into 1 plus 3 log x. See here, this term you can take it as u. And this one you can take it as v, because here also x is there, here also x is there. So we can use it as a product rule again. See here, see d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square. You keep it as it is, x square. What is the value of v? What is the differentiation of v? What is the differentiation of v? 1 become 0, because it is a constant. 1 plus, so it is in a form of a addition. So 1 plus, so 1 is a separate term. So 1 become 0 plus 3 into, what is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. Is it clear? X square into 0, 1 becomes 0. 3 into log x differentiation is 1 by x plus v. What is the value of v? 1 plus 3 log x. 1 plus 3 log x. 1 plus 3 log x into, what is the differentiation of x square? X square differentiation is what? 2x. X square differentiation is 2x. See, d square y by dx square equal to, d square by dx square equal to x square into 3 by x plus 2x into 1 plus 3 log x 2x into 1 plus 3 log x, you get cancel. What is the remaining thing? 3x plus 2x into 1 plus 3 log x. You multiply inside. What is the value? 3x plus 2x plus 3 2s are 6x into log x. 3 2s are 6x into log x. It gives the value 3x plus 2x is nothing but what? 5x. 5x plus 6x into log x. Don't add these two terms because this is 6x log x. This is only for 5x. It is different. See, sixth sum, exercise 5.7. Differentiate y with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. Y become dy by dx. Y become dy by dx. We can use it as uv because both are x terms. So we can use it as a product rule. E power x into differentiation of sin 5x, two terms. One is sin x, next one is 5x. Sin of x, in the place of x, 5x is there. Okay. See, sin x. Sin x is nothing but what? Cos of 5x. So the first differentiation is over. Chain rule differentiation. Then you move on to differentiation of 5x. 5x is 5 into 1. X become 1 plus sin 5x. Sin 5x into. Sin 5x into what is the differentiation of e power x? E power x. Differentiation of e power x is nothing but what? E power x. So here e power x is take it as commonly out. What is the remaining thing we are having? 5 into cos 5x plus sin 5x. E power x into 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. Then we move on to what? D square y by dx square. Second order derivative. D square by dx square. It gives d by dx of dy by dx. D by dx of dy by dx. It gives d by dx of what is dy by dx? E power x into 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. 5 cos 5x plus sin 5x. Okay, here also both x terms. E power x is also x. This term is also x. So we can use it as a product rule. This is u and this is v. This is u and this is v. See, d square y by dx square equal to u. What is the value of u? E power x into v dash. V dash is 5 into cos of 5x. What is the differentiation of cos of 5x? See, two differentiation you are having. 5 into cos of 5x is nothing but what? Minus sin 5x. That is in the place of x, 5x is there. So, minus sin 5x into what is the differentiation of 5x? Into 5 into 1. X become 1. Is it clear? 5 into cos of 5x. Differentiation of cos of 5x is minus sin 5x into 5 plus sin 5x. Sin 5x is nothing but what? Cos 5x. Differentiation of sin 5x is cos 5x into 5x differentiation is 5 into 1. So, u into v dash. U into v dash. U is e power x into v dash become 5 into cos of 5x is minus sin 5x into 5 plus Sin 5x differentiation is what? Cos 5x into 5 plus v. What is the value of v here? What is the value of v here? 5 into cos 5x plus sin 5x. 5 into cos 5x plus sin 5x into u dash. What is the differentiation of u dash? E power x is e power x. So you can take it as e power x commonly out. E power x is commonly out. 5 5s are 25 minus 25 sin 5x minus 25 sin 5x plus 5 cos 5x plus 5 cos 5x, because e power x is out, commonly I can take it out, plus sin 5x plus sin 5x. See, it gives d square y by dx square equal to e power x into minus 25 sin 5x plus sin 5x gives minus 24 sin 5x, minus 24 sin 5x. 5 cos 5x plus 5 cos 5x gives plus 10 cos 5x. So 2 is common, you can take it out. 2 into 2 e power x, 2 e power x into minus 12 2s are 24 minus 12 sin 5x plus 5 cos 5x, 5 cos 5x. So what is the answer of d square y by dx square? It gives 2 e power x into 2 e power x into, you can write the positive term first. So 5 cos 5x, 5 cos 5x minus 12 sin 5x, 5 cos 5x minus 12 sin 5x.